What am I going to do with my easy bread dough that I made in previous channels and some all beef hot dogs? We are going to do a pretzel wrapped hot dog. Stay tuned and watch, like, share, and subscribe. My easy bread dough. All beef hot dogs. Go ahead and wrap some all beef hot dogs in it. And then we're going to put it in a baking soda bath, boil it, salt it with some all-purpose seasoning, and then put it in the oven. Okay, I've rolled out part of my dough, basically the width of the hot dog. We're just gonna wrap some of these up and cut them, and then we'll seal them all up. Okay, here I have wrapped some of my bread dough. I'm gonna roll it in just a little bit of cornmeal and even it out. In this little container, I've got about a half cup of water, a teaspoon of baking soda, and about a half teaspoon cornstarch. But I'm just gonna go ahead and cover my bread with, sprinkle with some season all bagels, just because some season all bagels. We're gonna put it in a 450-degree oven for 15 minutes. Okay, welcome back. This is what they are gonna look like when they get out of the oven here. I'm gonna go ahead and grab one here, set it on my plate. You can serve it with mustard, whatever you want, your condiments, ketchup, relish. I'm just gonna go ahead and slice down the center of this. Show you what it might look like here. Probably a little bit more cut in here. Spread this open. Look, the hot dog's perfect and everything else. I'm gonna take some of my homemade chili. You should be able to see the recipe on that. Gonna slide that right down in the center of it. Top it with some grated cheese. And there you go. Like, share, subscribe, and enjoy.